If you truly want to do a 180 and have your life completely change, you're able to accomplish your goals, then you need to utilize this method. Your vision boards aren't working because all you're doing is cutting out pictures and putting them on a board, thinking that somehow those goals are going to become your reality, and it's simply not. Nothing is wrong with the vision. You simply lack execution. Within this video, you will have a very clear understanding and a plan of how to effectively figure out your goals, execute them within a short time span. Let's get into this video. Here are the timestamps if you want to fast forward. I highly suggest you don't. If you never watched another video of mine, please watch this one from the beginning to the end. If you skip around, you may be a little confused and you may miss out on some important details. So please, for the life of me, watch this entire video. Hi, welcome and welcome back. Welcome to A Complete Vibe. I am Cherie, and I'm here solely to help you become your best self possible so that you can live your dream life. So this isn't your typical vision board. This method is based upon a book called The 12-Week Year. And so within this book, it teaches you how to produce a system where you can create and accomplish your goals in a shorter time span, actually in 12 weeks. So within this video, I'm going to show you how to plan quarterly for each goal so you can complete a big goal by the end of the calendar year. So you're going to be using daily and weekly goals in order to complete a quarterly goal in order to complete your yearly goal. I know it sounds confusing, but hold on because I have examples coming up in just a few seconds. I'm also going to show you my personal 12-week planning board, so stay tuned for that as well. When deciding on your goals, go big, go absolutely big, be delusional, because even if you fail, you will be so much further along than what you originally were. And your goals can be absolutely anything. A few other categories are things like health and fitness, relationships, career, personal goals, finances. So absolutely anything you want to accomplish, it can work with using this method. Personally, I use this method a lot. I have accomplished some amazing goals, like I said, in a very short time span. But the thing is, you have to work this method. For it to work, you have to work the method, okay? So you're gonna want to choose one or two really big goals for the year. I highly suggest you only choose one because two can be a little overwhelming, but I'm not saying you can't do it. I'm just saying it's a lot. Even for me, it's a lot. So I just like to stick with one main goal for the entire year. So I'm going to give you one example, and then we're going to go into my personal goals for the year. So you're going to see my exact outline of what I'm trying to accomplish. But first, if you take a look at your screen, for this example, this 12-week year goal is in the health and fitness category. So the why would be to become, and like I said, this is just an example, but this why is to become an active mom, live longer, improve health conditions, and to look good at Ken's wedding. Okay, so your yearly goal is to lose 100 pounds. Q1 main goal is to lose 35 pounds. So Q1, that will be January through March. Also, let me state this. You can start this method. You can do this 12-week method any time of the year. You do not have to wait for a certain quarter to start or end. You can absolutely start it anytime. But okay, back to the example. Q1 main goal is to lose 35 pounds. So the sub goal is to go to the gym 4 days a week for 2 hours. Right up under that is what I like to call a mini goal or a pre-goal. And that would be to walk neighborhood for 1 hour while listening to motivational podcasts or music. Okay, so your sub goal 2 will be meal prep, healthy meals for the week, and you're gonna do those on Sundays. And then that mini goal or the prior goal that kind of help you get in the rhythm of this particular goal, because I know it can be hard. I personally don't have to have many goals, but I know it can be kind of difficult if you're starting from scratch. If this is something you never done before, you kind of got to motivate yourself to get in the swing of things. So that's where the mini goals come in at. If you don't feel like you need to do a mini goal, by all means don't do it. You can just start on your sub goals and go from there. But back to this example, so the mini goal for sub goal 2 will be to find healthy recipes and begin cooking all meals at home. Sub goal 3 is to drink 8 glasses of water daily, no soda. But the mini goal leading up to the sub goal will be to drink 3 glasses of lemon water per day, and also to detox. And also with those mini goals, I would just do it maybe for a week or 2 and then jump right into my sub goal. Don't extend your mini goal any longer than that, because you'll be stuck on your mini goal when your main objective is to start at that sub goal so you can work your way up to your yearly goal. Okay, so let's go right into my personal 12-week year plan. So again, the 12-week goal, this is pertaining to career, or I guess even personal development. My why will always be to help young girls and also women, and also more importantly, burn survivors become their best self while obtaining their dream life through self-improvement, confidence, self-care, and self-love. So my yearly goal would be, in yearly meaning the end of December 31. So my yearly goal would be to get 500,000 followers on YouTube. So when I told you earlier, be delusional, dream big, I mean it. You see, I'm doing it for myself as well. So let's go to sub goal 1. And it will be to upload weekly self-care vlogs. Sub goal 2, upload 2 to 3 weekly videos. So in total per week, I should have at least 3 or 4 videos, period, out. By the end of Saturday night at midnight, I should have 4 videos for that entire week. And then my sub goal 3 is to upload shorts daily, YouTube shorts, and I'm gonna do 2 to 3 of those. That's kind of what I've been doing already, so I'm just going, which is why I said a mini goal is good, because I knew I was gonna start my quarterly planning pretty soon, so I kind of started prepping myself, and I already started loading 2 to 3 YouTube shorts daily. So I'm just gonna continue with that method, continue with that work ethic, and just keep going into quarter 1. Right now, as I'm filming this video, we're mid Q1. So even if I don't complete my ultimate goal for this quarter, which is to gain 10,000 followers for this particular quarter. So by March 31st, I need to have 10K followers. Even if I don't reach that actual 10K, it still will be an improvement, because I'm putting in so much work. The results are going to have to come in. I'm going to see some type of improvement. At the end of each quarter, you're going to analyze, which I will get into later in the video, but you're going to analyze everything you've been doing and see if it's been working, see if it's getting you closer to your goal or not. But back to the example, if you look at the very bottom, it says check off tasks daily, and then I'm going to review my entire checklist on Saturday. So for that entire week on Saturday, I'm going to sit back and see what I did do, what I didn't do, what I feel comfortable doing, if I need to adapt or change anything, just kind of review and reflect. Let's go right into quarter 2. So my why, my yearly goal, will always stay the same. That's my main objective. And also your why is there, because if you ever forget, if you ever get tired, irritated, you lack any motivation, your why always reminds you of why you're doing this to begin with. You will get discouraged, you will run out of energy, you will burn out. It's possible all those things will happen, but you always have to reflect back to your why. why you started and why you're doing this. So my Q2 goals will be to gain 150,000 followers. My sub goal remains the same throughout every quarter. Sometimes that will happen depending on what you're trying to accomplish. Some of your goals may stay the complete same. They may increase. It just all depends on, you know, your desire and what you're trying to do. That leads me into my sub goal 2, which is to upload 4 weekly videos. So with my weekly videos and also that self-care vlog, that's 5 videos a week. And then my sub goal will be to upload at least 3 to 4 YouTube shorts. Q3 goals, again, my why and my yearly goal stays the same. My Q3 goals is now at 300,000 followers. My sub goal is to still upload that weekly self-care vlog. My sub goal 2 is to upload 5 weekly videos. So now I'm at 6 videos total. And my sub goal 3 is to upload 5 daily shorts on YouTube, more if possible. I have already started seeing growth from those YouTube shorts. So throughout the year, I'm just like picking up the pace. I'm giving you more and more. Still quality content though. That brings me to my Q4 goals, which is to get 500,000 followers on YouTube. I'm going to upload my same weekly self-care vlog. Now I'm uploading 5 weekly vlogs. So with my weekly vlogs and my self-care vlogs, I'm still at 6 videos a week, which was the same as Q4, but that's okay. And then my sub goal 3 is to upload 5 to 6 shorts daily on YouTube as well. Again, you're always going to reflect at the end of the week, and you're going to check off every time you complete a task. And one more thing, if you lack motivation, whatever it is you're doing that you know you shouldn't be doing, whether it's drinking, smoking, keep trying to make a relationship work with someone, whatever you're doing not bringing you any value, take your energy away from that and put it into your goals, because you can see evidence from your goals. Your goals can come to fruition and actually happen. Stop giving your energy to things and people who do not matter. Put your energy into your goals. Okay, so now let's get into making your own board. So what you're gonna need is a trifold. You're gonna need scissors, glue, some Post-its, a calendar with monthly sheets of paper, like separate months on each sheet of paper, and also Post-its. So another thing to note is that there's a planner that goes along with the book and also with your 12-week vision board. I thoroughly suggest you read the book, therefore the planner, and then making a vision board all makes sense to you. It's not confusing at all. Hopefully once you get done with this video, you will be good and you'll be able to start. But if you have the time, I highly suggest you read the book as well. There's a free planner that goes along with this, and I will put it in the description. You can go on there, you can download it, you can also print it out, and just take your time and go through that planner. I think it's like 100 and maybe 18 pages, but it'll give you a complete understanding. You want to actively be tracking all of your accomplishments. It gives you some type of high or excitement, you know, when you're able to actually check off what you've been doing, when you're actually able to check off that task. Serotonin, is that it? I don't know, but it gives you your body gives you some type of boost when you're completing your task and checking it off. So you're gonna pick a day of the week. My day is usually Sunday. You're gonna pick that day to plan out your entire week. And last but not least, be sure to reward yourself. I know one goal I was finally able to accomplish. I took a PTO day. I hired a car service and I got dressed up, took myself out to my favorite restaurant. You can reward yourself in big and small ways. It doesn't always have to be over the top, because another time I just simply had my favorite flowers delivered to me. And then another time I had a gift card and I told myself I'm not going to use this gift card until I complete my task or my goals, you know, so it can be like a treat to me. So somehow, some way, big or small, be sure that you're rewarding yourself. And remember to be adaptable. You know, challenges occur, situations happen, and it may knock you off your schedule. For an example, if my camera was to break right now, I'm not going to not just record any more YouTube videos, because all of my goals, I have to physically use this camera to complete my goals. So if my camera were to break, I'm gonna record on my phone. I'll go to the pawn shop to see if I can find a lower cost camera for the time being. I may ask somebody to borrow their camera. Somehow, some way, I'm gonna make sure I will still get the videos out. Now, I may not be able to do, if I'm in Q4 and I'm putting out 6 videos, I may not be able to put those all 6 videos out, but what I could do is amp up my shorts, because I know I still have my phone, so I may amp up my shorts upload amounts. So you just gonna have to figure it out. Things are always gonna happen, you know. It's always going to be some type of an excuse about why you can't do this and why you can't do that. But where I'm at in my life, no more like time out for all excuses. I set a goal, it has to be completed, and it has to get done. It's that simple. So if you ever have to change up your original plan, go with a plan B and keep it moving, okay? Okay, and so here is my personal 12-week year planner. As you can see, the yearly goal is at the top to get 500,000 followers on YouTube. So each quarter, have the goals written at the top, and also at the very bottom it states to review priorities. Review priorities meaning what I did, was it working or not? So for example, we're in quarter 2 right now. This is February 17th. So this is January, February, March. I simply cut off the header of February and also March to make it look like one long quarter. So for the 17th, it says to record YouTube. So when I get done, I will check that off because it's been completed. Now, my next week is set up. If for whatever reason I don't complete one of those, I simply would pick it up and put it on whatever day I will be able to get it done. Now, my Q1 goal is to upload 2 or 3 videos a week. So for whatever reason, if I'm not able to get 3 or 2 videos in that week, then I would move one of those into the next week. So the next week, instead of 2 or 3 videos, it will be 3 or 4 videos, because I have to make up for that video that I missed the week prior. Okay, so then we go to Q2 goals, and of course my goals are up there, and also the followers, same thing, April, May, June, and I will put the post-it notes on there the week prior to get those completed. And then also at the end of every month, again, I will review priorities, what worked and what didn't work. Q3 goal right there, also 300,000 followers. So now we have July, August, September. And then Q4 goal is right there to get 500,000 followers. And I just would complete the task of putting the post-it notes on each week to get my main goals accomplished. And then here's just one last look at my trifold. Again, Q1, Q2, 3, and 4. 3 months. I cut off the header for each month and put them all together. My yearly goal is always at the top, and also my why is at the top: to be a mentor to young girls, women, and burn survivor. So again, if I ever forget why I'm doing all of this, I just refer back to my why. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you found this video informative, please like it, please subscribe. Y'all see I'm trying to get to 500,000. Please subscribe. If you have any additional questions, feel free to leave them below. And remember that the planner description, or to get to the planner, the link is going to be in the description. If you have any additional questions, leave them below, and I will see y'all next time. Peace.